What's going on, guys? This is Dave from WRX Motorsports. I'm going to show you how to put on the side bumper gill carbon fiber inserts today. First, you want to start by peeling the carbon fiber insert off of the backing material. Align it on the very innermost edge, right where the black starts. Once you get that side started or aligned, just go ahead and work your way down the material, smoothing it out with your fingers. This is pre-cut, so you won't have to do anything. Just peel it and stick it. There you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I took this part off of the actual car just to make it a little bit easier to show you guys where it goes. You don't have to take it off, obviously. You can put this on while the piece is still in the car. This is available www.cruxmoto.com. Thanks.